Okay, here's the Coleman 5-gallon water container that we got for camping. And right here, I just want you to see when you open the spigot, the flow is good, but it's just kind of a scattered full stream. And I wanted something a little bit more conducive to rinsing dishes at our campsite. So I created this little 3D printed part that's basically a 45-degree elbow insert to fit up inside of the nozzle of the can, and it's a friction fit, and I printed this in PLA, so it works in PLA, just a plain little friction fit, and here's how it fits on. So put it in there and push it up in there good, and it seals pretty much on that joint there. I mean, it looks like it's made on there. And then once you put that on there, when you turn the water valve, you get kind of a dishwasher spray pattern. A little bit more conducive to rinsing dishes. But anyway, thought you might like this.